Rico this.
We're gonna take a little bit out and actually taste it later. It really smells good. It really smells toasted and caramelly and delicious. It's gonna be orange juice taffy.
Delicious. It's just like tequila shots.
It tastes like marmalade and like balsamic vinegar. It's not the worst thing I've ever eaten. It's very sour, very tart. Yeah, a lot like that kind of tart, caramelized taste of marmalade. It's not like caramel. No, I was expecting a little less, you know, of a citrus acidic taste, but it is orange juice, so I should have known.